camera. Okay. For today's video, I decided to do a few dares with my Russian best friend, Veronica.
Still don't know why that's supposed to be in the description.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We did some of these dares, yeah, to the best of our abilities because, yeah, we're lacking in resources. But I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. See ya!
Bye.
We're about to go ding dong ditch our friend's house, so shh. It's gonna get intense. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Oh shoot. I've never done this before. Did we get sued to flip cats? We're wearing flip flops. This is not a good idea. This is so loud. Okay. Stop. Where's the light on? You ready? Stop laughing. They're gonna hear us. Ready? 3, 2, 1. No, that's just the sound of the gate. It's just the wind. Oh snap. Okay, get back there. Okay, guys, dare completed. We're on. Bye. So now, guys, for our next dare, Veronica and I have been dared by our friend George, shout George, to eat a vegetable. And let me just tell you, it's a hard decision for us to make because I didn't even think I owned a vegetable, TBH. But yeah, so my brother's behind the camera. We got ourselves some carrots right here, and we're each gonna eat one. So, wanna see that's good? They're a little soggy, just gotta still wash them. No, that's your carrot. We have to touch carrots.
Why?
Because it's friendship. Okay. This is a hard decision. I don't know if I can do this.
The pain, the suffering.
Oh, I don't even like carrots. It tastes really bad.
I don't know how I'm ever gonna live past this moment. It's just been too
I've had so much
traumatic.
pizza, popcorn, and soda while she's been here. It's horrible. Please tell me the camera should record.
I don't know
Yes.
what to do with my life.
Ew, it tastes so bad. That's my brother. He likes carrots. I don't like that sound.
Alright, I'll find ways to make that sound more often.
Well, I'm gonna run upstairs.
I bet you I could eat a whole bag. You wanna finish mine? No.
Hey guys, so as our next dare, we are going to prank call our friend, and yeah, this should be interesting. You better pick up.
Hello, this is Margret from Ikea. We need you to pick up your 60 potted plants.
Hello, this is Margaret's boss.
From Ikea. We need you to pick up your 60 potted plants. They're gonna die soon.
I don't have any plans.
Yeah, you do. What do you mean? Who else bought them? I mean, the 60 potted plants, we have them in the inventory under your name.
You ordered them 3 weeks ago, sir.
I don't know. You know, there's so many people with my name, I don't know. It's not me.
But they put this number down, so it has to be you.
No, it's a fraud, you know? It's not me.
Bro, what are we gonna do with all these plants? We got 60 aloe vera plants.
No. I expect them to be.
Bro, like seriously, dude, we have your 60 potted plants. They're all aloe vera.
I stay in clean.
Bruh, they're under your credit card too.
So you just lost $120.
The mister is no home right now. I take message for you.
But why?
I clean. I'm house servant, you know?
Well, bro, I mean, we just really need you to pick up your potted plants because we literally had to turn down a starving orphan in order to save your potted plants.
Well, the mister no home right now, so orphan boys have to wait.
I'm calling cool.
Look, bro.
Fight me! Pick up your plants or fight me!
Yo, bro, I mean,
I clean. Mister no home right now.
bro, I mean, we're seriously about to call the cops on you. You can't just put these 60 pot plants in our inventory and not pick them up. I mean, you want the plants or not? You know, we'll even give you a discount. We just need them out.
I know. I'm not the person you're looking for. I'm simple house servant. The person you're looking for is not here right now.
You are not Mr. Jorge.
No, I'm not Mr. Jorge. So Jorge, he's Mr.
Yo. Sorry, bro, we got you mixed up. You're the guy who ordered the desk, Mr. Pedro.
No, I'm not Mr. Pedro. I'm Mr. Wong.
Please excuse my assistant. She has just found a funny meme on the internet and is laughing at that. Not
It's
you.
fire!
Quiet, assistant. This call is not lit.
It's so dang.
Yo, bro, all I know is we got 60 aloe vera plants in our inventory and nobody to pick them up. So if you want free aloe vera plants,
Well, I can't do anything about that. You got the wrong number, man.
you got any of your friends who are looking for some aloe vera plants?
I bet they can make weed out of it.
You sure, bro?
No, I don't.
If you smoke them up really nice, they turn into very fine weed.
I don't smoke weed. I'm a good man.
You are so bad.
Stop, Frank! Psych! Hey guys, so Veronica and I were dared by one of our friends
Fight me, McKenna!
to chug some mustard, but we didn't have mustard that was easily accessible and in small quantities, so we decided to chug some ketchup packets of In-N-Out, because close enough, and we were not about to chug mustard. So, we're gonna do this. Ready?
The whole thing. Wait, how do you open
Yeah,
it?
the whole thing. You tear it.
Well, I can see that.
Dude, they not have these in Russia.
You know what? Why don't you find me white trash?
You're white too!
I am more Asian than white!
Okay, I got mine open.
I got
Ready?
mine.
3,
Ah!
2, 1. Bad idea. I don't know when these are from. They're like a month old. I'm taking 2 sips.
I'm taking the whole thing.
I need water.
I need more. I'm done.
I need holy water to cook my mouth.
I need my
I like ketchup. Mark, we have water cups over there if you want to go.
I don't care. I'll get you a new water
No,
cup.
Mark, don't. We don't waste cups.
Fine, then I'll just chug ketchup instead. What, Allison, you really want me to?
No, I really don't.
Okay, fine. I could.
How could you give me my water cup?
Allison, I would be willing
Get your
to do
own!
that.
You get paper towels, Mark. It's so sour. You know, like 2 months old. Mark, can you clean up the mess on the floor?
I did not work.
I just fell off the chair.
That dare is done.